energy, calculations of energy, wavelength, and frequency. And this is the question that we need to look at in this video. So that is, calculate the energy E and the wavelength of a photon with a frequency of 6.165 times 10 power 14 hertz. So energy E, let us use the equation energy E is equal to hv. H is the Planck's constant, which is 6.626 times 10 power negative 34 joules per second, and V is the frequency. So energy E is equal to H, which is 6.626 times 10 power negative 34 joules per second, times V, which we are given here, 6.165 times 10 power 14 hertz. So we'll just multiply 6.626 times 6.165. That is 4.08 times 10 power negative what? Negative 34 plus 14 will be negative 34 plus 14 will be negative 20. Negative 2 minus 1 will be negative 19. So that is our energy E. So to calculate now the wavelength, we will be using a different equation, and the equation comes from these two equations. E is equals to hv, and speed of light is equal to wavelength times frequency. So our interest here is the V, that is the frequency. So to get V, let us divide wavelength, cancel this. So V is equal to speed of light all of our wavelength. So let us now substitute V with speed of light over wavelength. So energy E is equal to H times speed of light all of our wavelength. So our energy we have got here, which is 4.08 times 10 power negative 19 joules, is equal to, our H is the Planck's constant, which is 6.626 times 10 power negative 34 joules per second, times C is the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 power 8 meters per second. So all over wavelength. So to get wavelength now, we multiply wavelength on this side, wavelength on that side. So we'll have wavelength is equals to 6.626 times 10 power negative 34 joules per second, times 3 times 10 power 8 meters per second. Divide that with 4.08 times 10 power negative 19 joules. So joules we cancel with joules, and seconds we cancel with seconds. So we are remaining with meters. So let's multiply that. 6.626 times 3 times 3, that is 19.88 times power 10 power negative 34 plus 8 will be negative, plus 8 will be negative 26 power negative 26 all over 4.08 times 10 power negative 19. So we will have 19.88 divided with 4.08. That will be 4.87. That will be 4 point. So our wavelength is equal to 4.87 times 10 power. Here we have negative 26 and negative 19. So since it is involving division, we subtract negative 26 minus negative 19. So that will be negative 26 minus 19, negative 7. So negative 7 meters. So that is